I don't... This must be wrong. Oh, it is. It is. It is. It's because I'm doing it this way now, and the parent. Okay. So that's the old way of doing it. Okay. So I don't think this teleport works now. Ah. So actually, I can't do that anymore. Whoa, crazy. Okay, so I think that's correct. So we can actually kind of ignore that. As long as I set this up. Now, this hasn't created a new level, so I do need to do that. Pretty sure I need to call that. Rob, have you heard of NetEurosi? Yes. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Okay. Got a little error somewhere. Main server 530. Do... I've been using a lot of high-level libraries in the last week. Yeah, it's funny what it feels rewarding to be productive, right? Main server 576. It's not LF, is it? What was it actually complaining about? End expected to close for at line 570. Oh, yeah, the bullet physics stuff. Yeah, learn bullet physics so that I can pay you. 522. Do. So let's go and have a look at get player XYZ. What does it return? Yeah, that should be pushing that. Do 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 do. Yeah, that should be. Right in 3. That looks valid to me. So maybe it's the teleporter that's wrong. Do, 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 da, do, 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 do. Instance.current galaxy teleporters. Why is that not finding it? It should be chunk ID XYZ. Interesting. Look, pay me with Teasel sub money. What was good about NetEurosi? You should ask XP Coin because he's still working on it. NetEurosi was fun because I was young and it was working on a console. So, Rainmarch, I kind of have some vague plan in the future that the entire physics system I've written is going to be removed and replaced with Bullet. And with somebody I assume I would pay for to write a custom chunk versus chunk collider. So that we can do, or a chunk, it's basically a voxel array collision type, because obviously that's, there's a lot of speed up to be made by doing collision against such a repetitive structure as a three-dimensional array. Maybe it's already got it, but that's how I intend to. That's how I intend to do all the collision with the moving chunks. Is not to do it myself, basically. Why do you keep using the word sick all the time? You are excited. I don't know why that's not working. In pairs, instance.galaxy. Oh yes. Because of that. Right, that's probably better. Add cube sphere colliders to each visible block. Yeah, see that just sounds like a massive waste. All right, shall we? Right. Well, I'd say that's not working. Damn it. Why is that not working? Let me go and see if I've put the number in wrong. Okay, spawn. Chunk ID. Yeah, I didn't copy the chunk ID over, you prat. It's -1 in the X. Do. Yeah. Let's try that. Darn it. It's not having it. -1. Oh, I've done it again. Another typo. Hooray! Something happened. The name's too long, and it's a bit silly anyway. Right, Lua process. Right, we've got another typo here. This called destroy player. Excuse me. That's what I say. How precise is this collision stuff? Which collision stuff do you mean? Class sick loop public block type. That is probably one of the worst bits of inheritance I could imagine. Not quite sure. Have you tried composing your sick loop out of block types? Is it too indiscreet to ask who's funding you? I tell you, except that they asked me not to say who it was, so...
It's me.
It's not you, JD. It's Teasel. Temp player create... interesting. Yeah, it's up to them. Sods. Attempts to index field. Ah, that's okay. That's good. That means it is trying to load the next level. Right, here we go. So we've got to do current galaxy. So anything that kind of interferes with... Well, I've basically put in another layer of indirection to get to the specific map data. So it all needs to change. So yeah, so local g equals instance dot current galaxy CG current galaxy. Oh no, that's actually in our inventory. Let's have a look. Okay, let's try that. So I'm going to have to keep running through this to find where the next failure is. Oh, interesting. Dig-a-dig. Why am I resetting the map top left to chunk origin? That's weird. I'm gonna have to look into that restart game. There's stuff in there I'm surprised to see. Next young error, please. Main server 588 I pairs. Dooby doob doob quack quack. Such. I'll step through this instead of. If instance.current world index, okay. And the ship is in this instance. That's not though. Day instanced. That generally looks alright. And that's if you've dropped too far. Alright, let's run again. It's well, Lua actually allows you to do the semicolon if you so wanted. Oh, hello. Okay, we've got something different here. What's it complaining about? It's saying that there's no transform component. Seems very unlikely. I don't know what that is. Let's comment that out for the time being. Pecky, thanks for the follow. You need to update the pic on your Patreon. Yeah, that's pretty true. Yeah, it is a bit out of date. Look, that little picture's back on 903 followers. How time has flown, huh? Huh? Still don't get why this isn't working. So the first time we create a player, first time we call this, it's fine. It's fine and dandy. Galaxy 00, target galaxy. Yeah, it's up there. Require galaxy path and galaxy 00 settings. The ship XYZ is actually from here. That's interesting. Does anyone even use this? Doesn't look like it's used anywhere. Yeah, it doesn't look like it's used. You should just download one of those free GLSL modern game starter packs with SSR and all that jazz. Well, why don't I go and find one and just rip the code out? Because I'm not going to do that now, am I? I'm not going to replace a large part of that. Hello, Teasel. That was Teasel. Oh, she did a little click there. I actually wanted to hear it. Oh, she's back to licking hand. Right. Teasel. No, I can't see the keyboard now. Can't see the keyboard, cat. Okay, that's done. Oh, Teasel. Jodie, she's licking me. What do I do? What if I take my hand away and she goes off? What if she explodes from needing hand to lick and not having hand to lick? What am I going to do?
Lovely.
She is. She's stopping me.
No, she's not.
It's alright, cat. Okay. It's a cat minute. Alright.
Look at her tiny face.
I'm going to go and wash my hands anyway.
No, lick it.
No, I'm not going to lick my own
Your
hands.
own hand.
No, you lick it. You lick it.
You're stupid.
Did you just poke her in the face?
No.
Yes, you did. I saw it. Alright, we're back.
Look, we can paint her nose.
No. Hey, Stumpy. Her name to me is Stumpy right now. And she's gone. Good. Back to normal. Little cat.
Your time of day is stupid. I made a funny teaser.
Yeah, thanks. So, worlds. CG worlds. Yeah. World limits was done. Map left to her. Yeah, that never changes. So that can go. And items available. Not much point in me doing that, but okay. So the ship looks like the one that I need to, oh, actually. That was some rubbish code I wrote there. So this ship here is a bit knackered. So I'm making a copy of the ship, basically. Yeah. Yeah, man, that's good. Oh, it's 10 o'clock. I'm starting to get a bit tired. Believe it or not, Jodie. I know. I should use that bath water as well.
Well, it'll be cold if you leave it any longer.
What? This instant it will go from warm to cold.
No, but it's
Let's
cold
get it
outside this room.
Yeah. Right. So restart game doesn't actually get called, does it? Time of day, current world, index. I don't even know what that means. So create new level. I'm also going to call 657. I'm also going to call restart game, I think. Right. Oh. How do I want to think about this? No, there is. I don't think there is a clone table. That's just something I was about to write. Yeah, I probably should do that. Ah, no, that's not quite so good. All right, I'm going to just do a copy there. That. Do. What just happened then? How did I collapse that? Brilliant. I can't do that. Right. iPairs.
What? No. You are lovely, you
Right, so that's a shallow copy, but that's good enough for now because I'm only calling it in one place. There's going to be loads of Lua errors now, probably, possibly. Oh, it doesn't even load first time. Brilliant. Mix and do a 8. Switching languages. I do make a fair few number of mistakes with that.
just go flip-flopping around like a flip-flop.
Do 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 do. Attempt to call clone table.
I might have claimed people.
It's because I've got it capitalised.
I might capitalize.
No, you are camel case, Jodie. Teasel, you are. Don't know what you are, Cat.
She's underscore separated. Really.
Mix and lure. Bad argument 1 to iPairs. Table expected. Got nil. Okay.
Are you an unterminated string? Yeah.
How can that be? How can that be? Yeah, there you go. That's what it is. That's what it's all about. That's what I'm talking about. What's wrong with Teasel? No, she just makes a noise. I mean, she might be hungry, but then she gets fed fairly frequently anyway. Teasel is a cat that just makes noises for the sheer hell of it sometimes. Well, no, she doesn't just make noises. She doesn't do a dance, Jodie.
Teasel, do you do a little dance?
She doesn't do a dance. Where's my mixing class?
I know, I love you too, my gorgeous
Right,
girl.
source in iPairs. Source. Oh, she's here. Don't tread on that button, little cat.
Tread on the button, tread on the
Don't.
button.
Come on.
Do it.
Dream is.
Who's the number one of this kind of world? You are! Yes, don't type on that. All the codes broken now, darling. Yes, that was you.
Oh, there's another one. Not that was it, but so that would imply that instance.currentGalaxy isn't set. But I don't understand that, because how could that work? Ah, yes. Of course.
Look at this cat.
Yeah, no, I'm looking at her. She's headbutting you.
So nice.
She's so violent. She's so violent.
Softly.
Has Rob eaten one yet? No, I haven't eaten a Dreamer yet.
You did?
No, not on stream today.
No, not today.
Not today. Okay, so we're back to the same issue here of get the transform component. So how can this be? Just gonna have a look at these. Yeah, it's got a temp player. Yeah, there's no Yeah, there's no transform there. Why not? That's what's on everybody's tongue, right? Why not? Do 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 do. Do do do. Wow 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 wow. That's the calendar entity we create. Yeah.
Look, you can do this. Didn't like that.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is on the server side. Character controller system do. Are we on the client? Oh, I'll have to run it again. Do 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 do.
Don't do
Do do do do do do do do do do do do do do do. It's got a base collider, temp player, rigid body, parent name, collision listener, child IDs, character controller, base fixed.
Look at me. I'm bothering the cat.
What entity ID is this?
2.
No, Jodie. 13. So I'm just going to put. I'm going to check whether this is the first player entity or the second one. Because this is one, and then when we teleport it, that's actually a second one. Player ID 5. No, it is the new one. So let's go and have a look at the crate entity. Oh, it's just called crate. This is 13. Sorry, this is 12. So that might... what? Okay. Yeah, so this is the components. It's empty. Why has it got a temp player attached? Who's attaching a player? Why is it called name player? What's going on? Local player entity ID. I don't get this. It's supposed to be creating this first, and then this second. That's pretty orderly. So I can only guess there's actually another call somewhere mistakenly in here. That's the calendar. Let's rerun this. Yeah, it's probably the calendar that was number, whatever. Wow. Do. Yeah, it's the calendar, sorry, okay. Now what? Rerun. Did do. Oh, I love these little blobs. I'm a little blob, Jodie. Favourite blob. Okay.
Is that your favourite blob? She just rolled her eyes at me.
Base fixed update. Yeah, this basically is ignoring this gravity transform. And I can only assume it's because that's nil. Yes, because you massive prat, you didn't write a spawn down. Oh! Idiot. Idiot boy. Oh, I didn't want the castle entrance. Sod. Let me go and check. No. I gotta go and check my my diff. Minus 31. So that is out of chunk, but it will sort itself out. So actually that's alright. Right, the git diff, YPR and gravity dir equals 5. Alright, that's probably alright, except I've just spotted I didn't put a comma there. Right, that might work. Ah, yes, it did work, but remember the problem I had? Because I updated the chunks to have two different base transform types, those with frame of references and those without. This level is wrong and needs updating. But actually, it's kind of correct. That was nice. What just went wrong there?
Everything.
Copy cells. Oh, yeah, alright. So, maybe the Majora's Mask remix. Yeah, could do it. To be honest, I'm gonna start packing up now. So I guess one of the if I was just going to completely rip off Mario, then our little map world would actually just be completely different. You know, like each galaxy would have one theme, and that's one of the funny things is that my tiny galaxy level, when it was originally all of the game, if you look at this, so this has different levels in it. Sorry, each galaxy is this is one galaxy, but each world has got a different theme. Well, there's 3 grassy ones. There's an ice one over there. There's a vector world, a little rot world. But actually, the way it's going is like you would normally have one theme per galaxy now instead of the multiples. So this is going to have to be redone. And I'm not really sure, guys. So if you can have a think about what theme or themes would work. So this could be... I don't know. I actually don't know. Yeah, I don't know what I'm going to do with that. I do know I need to re-export it and fix it because I can't really do much else. I might do that now. Do. So how do I want to do this? I'm going to re-export the level. That'll be fine. Doobie doob, doobity doob, doob doob, doobity doob doob. So I'm going to commit this anyway. Do. Grass, jungle, desert, valley, ice, water, clouds, volcano, moon. Yeah, the usual stuff. I quite like the idea of doing silly things like circus or a blancmange level galaxy. Silly like Mario. Minimalist galaxy, yeah. What? Yes. C++ template error galaxy. Yes, that will that would work well. Yeah. Git add. Git commit copy of TG. Added new map world. Source TG source updated to allow teleporting to new worlds to other galaxy. Why is this still entity models? Git branch feature. Let's do a rename. TG 3000 update. Right, what have we got? Untracked file, all entity models. Oh, sod bags. Okay, well, we're going to roll this into the same branch then. That's annoying. I should have committed and I didn't. Do 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 do. Server model entity. Phew. Do. Right, let's check if this builds. Staxel Galaxy. Rotating Object Galaxy. Girls Life Galaxy. Test Block Z Fighting. Oh, I think I might sob. Well, that's it. Somewhere I need to have a hidden area as an unlockable where there's loads of hidden references to other games, right? Isn't that right, little cat? All the view frustum culling is wrong. Whoa! In my face! Look, there's a little chest. Save and quit. Yep, that's fine. Oh, I can't jump up more than one block at a time. But this guy, Raymarch especially, do you think that these kind of little texture sets, they work quite well for maps? I mean, obviously, it would be super more polished with in something else. He said, not quite making full sense. But you know what I mean, you know. If we can get that third person, that would be good. Right, let me just check the other stuff still loads. That's me testing out. Was that me testing out this? Whoa, it's massive. It's beautiful. This is my empty one that now looks like the stuff of a madman's dreams. Whoa, it's a heliclacla. Yeah, you can't actually get rid of entities at the moment, which is a bit rubbish, I think. No, it's not doing a deletion check. Actually, that reminds me. I wonder if... oh, that crashes. Alright, that doesn't work. Hello, Whiteland. How you doing, man? Tiny main map. That was for the mapping of it. I think the Tiny Galaxy blocks are better than the standard ones. Yeah, I've certainly put more effort into them. Well, when you're loading Tiny Galaxy, no, the cat. I have no idea about the position of the sun. It's just rubbish. Is there any lighting? No, not really. Yeah, it's underneath, so it's starting at a bad position. The sun. Yeah, so if you really wanted to have a look at that, we should load in where I'm editing it, which is this one, and that doesn't work now. What? Tiny main map. Did I actually copy this over? Did I do a copy? No, they're there. Let's do some debug and find out what's going wrong. How will it handle clipping? Those things aren't going to get fixed for a while. Yes, dear. What's up? Oh, I've mucked up the room settings. Okay, let's go and have a look. Eh? Jodie's putting me off. She's showing me her artwork. I want to see diorama with a sun that is not rotating around a coordinate axis. You crazy. Yeah. Yep. Yep. Well, we'll sort that out in a sec. Well, tomorrow. Because the main world needs to have a reasonable light source, right? Even if I'm still not going to fix the tiny galaxy ones. Right. That's interesting. 2 equals base voxel. How the hell did that happen? Where did that spawn come from? Oh, there. Right, let's try that. Well, okay, I mean, like, you know, I'll get round to it, but I'm not going to be browbeaten into it very much. I mean, I've got my own order of doing things. Right. Oh, yeah. Actually, I'm not... Oh, it does have some sort of time of day. Yes, right. This does make me want to do diagonals so that I could do a diagonal corner, but then the extrusions and that will end up starting to be a bit weak. Yeah. So we won't have underneath lighting under the world. I mean, your idea of just like not worrying about the horizon stuff for different gravities is a good idea. So that all needs to be looked at. This is how to break a level. You're not really supposed to be there. But if you're a little character running around and you were looking at it from up here. So that's basically the goal for tomorrow, is to get the map board where you've got a little guy running around here. And there you go. That would look cute, wouldn't it? Change the FAV slightly. All right. And then in we go. Shall I just stick a chest in there? Why not? Because it's silly. Actually. Artifact chest. Yes. Haha. Okay. So that's the new all modelled chest, but I actually prefer the colours on this one. It's brighter and more lovelier. Alright guys, I think I'm going to head to bed and stuff now. So I got a few things to fix. I'll have to, first thing tomorrow I'm going to have to re-export Tiny Galaxy again, but that's okay. It's the sort of thing I can see happening, and like until every time I change the contents of a component, if those are serialized to disk, then I need to re-export the entire level if those component data change. And with stuff like the rotating motor things, I don't actually know what's going in them, so it's kind of trial and error. So one of two things has to happen. Either I don't incorporate any rotating entities for a while, or I start adding version numbers to every single component. And that's actually quite appealing itself, because then it would make updating levels pretty easy. So yeah. Right, I'm zooming around like a pilchard. Oh, okay, I'll hang around a bit very much. Ah. I haven't got a texture set for a jungle. Damn it. Chinisera. I'll still be around for a while, I think. No one gets rid of me that easily or puts baby in a corner. Oh, I want to get up there. I want to be up where the eagles fly. Oh, sods. Yeah, my ability to handle this is not very good, is it? I'm trying to break my own level. Oh, I can do it in the other direction. Hey! I have won nothing. Oh, damn it. Come back. Do. I'm just hanging around waiting. What other worlds? Let's pretend there's a vector world, shall we? Up in the sky. So Mario does this thing where he'll go through here and teleport out somewhere over here, which is kind of quite cool. That is a terrible tree texture. Yeah, that's just rubbish. We had someone earlier talking about the Erosi. I wouldn't say talking. He was asking the same question repeatedly about them. Okay, that actually looks more like a tree than it should. That'll do. Do I'm just doing idling while... okay, you put your picture up. Let's go and have a look. Alright, let's have a look. Right. The odd angle here is going to look good because it lights more than two faces of the cubes. Yeah. Yeah, I think if you had drop shadows, you would naturally have adjusted the light that way because it makes a lot more sense with shadows. Yeah, no, I agree. I agree. Yep, you're right. Yeah. So I at the moment, the way I've done the time of day, it's kind of quite tightly tied to the lighting, and I need to separate that. So that's what I shall do tomorrow, maybe. What the hell? Let's put in shadows tomorrow. I joked. There's no way I could do it that quick. Just not good enough. Dun, 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 dun. Do. Oh, hang on. Why don't I put in a jump pad? A jump boot. Hey, there we go. There we go. Right. Your little guy running around the world like that, that'd be alright, wouldn't it? Yeah, a bit confusing. Whatever, I was just chucking stuff in. Yeah, okay, fair point. Fair point. Alright. Okay, guys, I'm going to head off. Who shall I stream? I have no idea if they're a NetEurosi member as well. The conversation was quite hard. Involved basically repeating the same questions, like do you have a NetEurosi and do you have a PS4? Not programming. We don't do programming here, do we?
I've got a PS4.
All right. I'll host William Cheer now.
Oh, look at my cat. She's found a piece of elastic attached.
All right. Good night, guys. I'm going to be here tomorrow. Most of the day, I think. Although in the morning I might try and put the other monitor up and take the other one down, and it's all going to be hilariously fun when I get it wrong. So, wish me good luck. I might even tidy my monitors up, my cables up. Fat chance of that, right, guys? So, yeah, I should be streaming all day tomorrow. I think that's UK time, so probably about 10 or 11 in the morning onwards. Depends how angry I get doing the DIY, really. But there you go. I think that's okay. That's okay. What was Vortex going to say? Yeah, I'll see you later, guys. So, bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Follow me on... Oh, I'll just cut it.
Wow, thank you, Rob the Swan, for the host. Let's give it a shout out to Rob the Swan. So, I just want, yeah, I don't want to do, that is what I have.